Here I have BLACKVIEW A70, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So the first method for this operation, you have to open your DL pad and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and here you can see your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also your serial number. And the second method, you just open settings, you just go to the about phone section and just find all this information here. So here you have your IMEI 1, here you have your IMEI 2, and you can also find your serial number here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.